Hi everyone, this is Lovely4u. In this video, we're gonna show you how we paint the chibi cute face for Card Captor Sakura. Hope you enjoy this tutorial and don't forget to like and subscribe. Many people may feel afraid that where should we start to paint it? The answer is sketch first. You may find here we also use the pencil to draw the outline, but with really light lines. For the outline, we always prefer sepia rather than black, because black is too dark and will make the character not looking that vivid. When drawing the outline, always keep in mind that lines should have heavy and light diversity, like the eyelid here can't be too heavy. Also, when you draw the outline, don't forget to compare a lot to see whether the eyes are in the same level. Finding your own working pattern is also important. We prefer to start from left to right, and we always draw them in sequence. You don't have to be exactly the same with us, because every road leads to Rome. And even we said the outlines should have heavy and light diversity, but overall the lines can't be too heavy. When it comes to paint, start with thin and light color, nothing special, just remember to paint them evenly. The lower part of eyes are normally lighter colors, but also don't forget to leave some space for the gradient colors. And in order to paint it looks more naturally, you need to blend the colors frequently, layer by layer. From middle to top, the colors are getting darker and darker. You can see here we spend a lot of working time on blending. The darkest part in the eye is just underneath the eyelid, so the color should be very obvious, but don't use purely black. After all those done, now you can add the highlights. Normally you'll find the face immediately looks so vivid and fancy after highlights are applied. That's also our favorite part. And don't forget the whites here too. For the shadow, we use light gray here. The mouth also has shadow. The more details you pay attention to, the more beautiful your face will be. And the teeth. Here we also add some super light lines for the cute cheek and also the mouth outline to strengthen the structure. The last but not the least, don't forget the blush. Did you get all the tips in this video? Please comment if you have any questions and let us know if you would like to see more videos like this. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe if you do like this video. Oh, and happy Thanksgiving Day! Thank you so much for everything you do. We really appreciate it, and see you again in our next video.